In this video,
we will learn how to turn on or off spectator count in Fortnite. In order to turn the spectator count in Fortnite on or off, all you need to do is firstly head to the profile picture on the top right hand side of your screen. From here, click on the gear button. After clicking on the gear button, you need to head to the game UI tab. In the game UI tab, you need to select the HUD options from the left hand side of your screen, which will lead you to the HUD options. From here, you will see that an option called show spectator count. So in here, according to your needs, you can turn it on or off. So it basically what it does is when you kill someone, they have an option to spectate you or go back to the lobby. And if they choose to spectate you, the count of the spectators will be shown in your screen. So after changing these settings, just click on apply and get back to the lobby. So now we will get into a game to check it out. So now as you can see, after getting into the game and killing some players, you can see that there is no spectator count showing because I had it turned off for me. So this is how you can easily turn on or off your spectator count in Fortnite and enjoy the game as you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.